The FV102 Striker anti-tank missile carrier is a member of the British CVR-T family of tracked armoured vehicles produced by Alvis Vehicles. The FV102 is a version of the FV101 Scorpion light tank. Its primary role is to defeat enemy armor. The first production vehicles were delivered in 1975. These anti-tank missile carriers are employed by anti-tank guided missile batteries and reconnaissance regiments. The FV102 Striker is fitted with swing-fire anti-tank wire-guided missiles. The name of the missile comes from the ability to make a rapid turn of up to 90 degrees after firing. This missile has a heat warhead and an effective range of 4 kilometers. It penetrates up to 800 millimeters of armor. Missile is controlled either by a direct optic or thermal sight. Missiles can be launched remotely from the vehicle. A special optical sight with a 100 cable allows the crew to engage enemy targets from a safe cover. Missiles were originally controlled by a joystick controller. Later the FV102s were updated with semi-automatic control systems. 5 swing-fire missiles are carried in the tilt-up launcher at the rear of the hull and are ready to use. A full set of reload missiles is stored inside the hull. Missiles are reloaded manually from outside the vehicle. There is a secondary 7.62 mm machine gun, mounted over the commander's hatch and used for self-defense. Vehicle carries 3,000 rounds of ammunition for this machine gun. It also has 2 banks of 4 smoke grenade dischargers. A number of light alloys were used to make this vehicle. The FV102 has an aluminum armor hull with spaced high-hardness steel armor. Interior is lined with a spall liner. A front-mounted engine provides additional protection for the crew. Front armor of this vehicle protects against 14.5 mm rounds, fired from 200 m range. All-round protection is against 7.62 mm rounds and artillery shell splinters. There is also an NBC protection system. This ATGM carrier has a crew of 3, including commander, gunner and driver. Initially, the FV102 was powered by the Jaguar 4.2-liter petrol engine. It was a standard car engine, however its power was downrated from 265 horsepower to 195 horsepower for longer service life. This engine was chosen because it was commercially available and had high power-to-weight ratio. Later it was replaced with the Cummins BTA 5.9-liter diesel engine, which had better fuel economy. Both engines had similar performance. The chassis and suspension of the Striker are shared with all other members of the CVR-T family. Vehicle can be fitted with flotation kit in order to make it amphibious. On water it is propelled by spinning its tracks. The Striker is air-portable. About 120 of the Strikers were in service in 1991. Since then this has been gradually reduced. In 2005 the Swingfire was officially replaced with the Javelin anti-tank missiles to meet the new requirements, and it is now the main anti-tank missile used by the British Army.